Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, all you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, you want to press power key and volume down. Actually hold it. There we go. When you hold it, you'll see this pop up here to signify that you have captured the screenshot. There is also a couple of shortcuts, as you could see there. I'm going to go over only one that is, I find, the most important one, which, if I do it again, there is the scrollable screenshot, which is the arrow down. And when you press it, we need to, for the first time, allow a bunch of stuff. So let's just do that right now. And as you can see, it will start scrolling down till it reaches the end, at which point it will stop. But you can also just stop it yourself by tapping on the screen. Now again, there's a bunch of more stuff popping up for this. Let's allow, and there we go. So as you can see, this is the scrollable screenshot, and if you use only one finger, you'll start drawing on it. So you need to use two fingers to basically scroll down on this scrollable screenshot. And once you're basically satisfied with how it looks like, if you wanted to write something on it, you can. But at the end of the day, you have to press on the check mark to save it. And now our two screenshots that I have captured will be visible in the gallery up right over here. So there is the super long one, as you can see, and then there is the normal ones. And that is basically how you would capture a screenshot, by holding power key and volume down. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.